Okay, so where's the first cousin and the?
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, the bloodline. So the bloodline, yeah. And then sort of kind of continuing along that lines of like the Eva Marcina collection, we've never really done sort of like a collab with anybody. We never, outside of that, we never did like a music promotional thing. And so what's really cool is like, this is the first time you guys get to see it, but you know, we're brought over here. This over here is actually the 20-year anniversary of the Pacific Music Awards. So this year, you know, the 20-year is the 20-year anniversary. I think you guys were one of the first, right? Tell us a little bit about that. Like, tell us a bit about winning that award for the first time. And
well, I think for us was just, you know, our mum was alive at the time. You know, mum and dad were at home, and I know straight after we received those awards, like all of our awards, all of our plaques that we got, they all went to mum and dad's house, because you know how mum is. They put everything up on the walls, they put everything up on the shelves, and so that's what that award, you know, that's the memory that award brings back to us, is just where those awards went to and who held on to them. Of course, naturally, I have them now since mum has passed on and the family home's gone, so, but that'll forever hold that memory. And I guess what I love about the PMA watches, the PMN watches, the postcard, you know, because we're on there. How good, hey? Yeah, I think we could have been a little bit bigger.
Yeah. Hey, also, man,
a little bit more in the centre.
You know, and you know, the cool thing about it is like every winner that's ever won the award is on there. That's
incredible.
And so to be able to have that relationship, you know, with the PMAs and to build a 20-year anniversary to celebrate all our Pacific music artists is so special. It's so dear to me. You know, and to have you guys here.
Inside that watch, right inside the watch, the main backdrop of it is the actual sales from the award. The design that's on the actual awards that everyone receives is in that watch. So it's quite amazing and quite significant and beautiful. So thank you, boys.
Yeah. So whoever wins this year, gonna get one, man. Lucky man. Sorry, Usos, we didn't bring you. There's no spares, man.
No, that's okay.
You got an award this year.
It's funny, we have a single coming out.
Maybe we get an award with, you know, maybe we have Adeaze return, you know.
There we go.
I don't think we're doing a 21-year exclusive thing, you know.
Talk to me.
But yeah, I mean, sort of that's kind of like a little bit of a brief. And over there, like, boys, and that's a watch that we've never released. We got this watch done early. It's you know, it's a 316 automatic movement watch that, as a brand and as a company, you like to, you know, you have to explore, right? You have to find things and fine tune them. And this is one of those. This is like a prototype that we had put together, and we've never released it. So I just kind of wanted to share like that with you guys as well.
I was having a look at that one earlier. I've got to say it's probably the one that looks most different to all the watches. So it has this kind of own identity, you know. How many copies of that one is?
So there's only 5 of those. Yeah. So that's 5. Yeah. Well,
who are the 5?
There's only 5 of those. Yeah. Yeah. I can tell you that, like, with that watch in particular, Sally, me and this guy, man, we didn't know what we was doing with money, bro. You know. And I kind of go, what did we spend on that thing, man? You know, to get that done. And yeah, you know, it's one of those things we just kind of will hold on to, you know. Yeah, when time comes, time comes, you know. Testimony, yeah.
Straight ahead, I see my girl looks tight. Got my girl for life right by my side. Ain't gonna waste my